हाय फ्रेंड्स, मैं नरेंद्र किरार, आपका फ्रेंड, गाइड, मेंटर from Potential Minor team. We all are facing problems on day-to-day basis. Like everybody from a student to corporate executive, a doctor in the hospital, an IAS officer, a police official who is deputed in like lockdown. Everybody is having some problems on day in day out basis. Now the topic of our discussion is how we can convert the problem into an opportunity. First of all, let us understand, does problem is anything to do with opportunity? If I say yes. Problems and opportunities, they are two sides of the same coin. For example, if you see in your past achievements, then you will find that whatever achievements you have done in the past is all due to the problem you faced in the past and efforts you made out to take those problems upfront and resolve those problems. So now it's up to us how we take this as a problem or as an opportunity or as a challenge. So this is only a temporary phase of mind, that how you take the things, whether you take any issue as a problem or a challenge. So this is also a way of thinking where your way of thinking says that every problem you come across is a challenge which has come to develop you, which has come for your growth, and which will lead to some good results. If you have that thinking in your mind, then you will definitely find that whatever problem you are facing ultimately results in your achievements. Now, if we see, the problem and challenges are two sides of the coin. It depends upon you how you take those things as an opportunity or a challenge. Now it's up to us. Now in the period of lockdown, lot many people have apprehension that this will happen, that will happen, it will do this, it will have this impact, it will have that impact. Well, let me tell you one thing. As the law of attraction says, whatever you think, it happens. If you see say it is not the first disease that come across. We have lot many diseases that come across. We have lot many challenges faced by earlier, and after that we come out. And if you see the Sensex or the stock market trend of last 50 years shows that lot many problem comes, but development has never stopped. It is again reaching high and high standards of our development. And if you see the case of Japan after Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the Japan was completely devastated by that incidents, and Japan again come up. If a country can come up with such a disaster which destroys the resources, at least we are in a much better position now. So my request is, don't have any negative feelings, any ill wills in you. Just think positive. Try to find out what is the positive thing is hidden in this opportunity or in this challenge or in this problem. So let's have let's change your programming of mind to consider every problem as an opportunity. And then you will find that, and I am sure that you will see the economy, the growth, it will again reach to its highest level. But for those who will take problems as an opportunity. Guys, my humble request to all of you, don't see only the problems which we are facing in lockdown. Try to find out the challenge and how we will overcome this challenge and achieve the greater heights after that. Let plan yourself. Let plan about your future line of action. What will you do after the lockdown? How you can compensate the loss that has been come. And this is on lighter side. I would like to say one thing, that there is an old adage that whatever you acquire after birth is profit, because a man is born with nothing. Everything that has been gained later on is a profit. So it is on lighter side, and old adage that comes to my mind when I think of the losses, when I think of failures. So with this I would like to end this session, and let again have positive frame of mind, find the way outs to tackle the problems which are with you or which are coming on your way, so that you can again attain greater heights and results. Thank you.